Let us look few problems on this model and prototype. The first one is a model test is to be conducted in a water tunnel using a 1:20 model of a submarine which is to travel at a speed of 12 km per hour deep under sea surface. The water temperature in the tunnel is maintained so that the kinematic viscosity is half that of seawater. At what speed is the model test to be conducted to produce useful data for the prototype? So first we need to find out which model law should be used, Reynolds model law or Euler's model law. From 5 model laws, which model law should be used? Here it is given that the submarine under the sea surface. Under the sea surface means that is submerged in the sea surface. If it is submerged, that is viscous flow. That means Reynolds model law should be used. Reynolds model law. So what is Reynolds model law? Reynolds number of a model should be equated to Reynolds number of a prototype. That means Reynolds number of model should be equal to Reynolds number of prototype, so that we can get the speed. What is the speed of model test? Speed of model should be speed of model can be found out. Now what is the given data here? Scale ratio is equal to 1/20. Scale ratio means LM/LP, which is to travel at a speed of 12 km per hour. Submarine which is to travel at a speed of 12 km per hour. So that submarine means prototype. Velocity of prototype is 12 km per hour. The water temperature is maintained so that kinematic viscosity is half that of seawater. So kinematic viscosity of model is equal to half that of kinematic viscosity of seawater. Seawater means prototype. So in lab testing, that is half of a kinematic viscosity of seawater is used. At what speed is the model test to be conducted to produce useful data for the prototype? So what speed should be maintained in the model? So Vm is equal to what? So Reynolds number of model. So Reynolds number of model means rho V L by mu of model is equal to rho V L by mu of prototype. So mu by rho is nu, that is kinematic viscosity. So V L by nu is equal to V L by nu. So this is model, prototype. So what do we need to find? Vm we need to find. Vm is equal to velocity of prototype into LP by Lm, and next nu m by nu p. So velocity of prototype is 12 km per hour into Lm by Lp is 1/20. Lp by Lm means into 20. Next nu m by nu p, kinematic viscosity of model by prototype. So nu m by nu p is equal to 1/2. So 1/2. 2 tons. So 120 km per hour. That is velocity of model. So the model velocity should be 120 km per hour, so that the 12 km per hour in actual case can be achieved. Now there is another question. A 1:25 model of a ship is to be tested for estimating the wave drag. If the speed of the ship is 1 meter per second, then the speed at which model must be tested is. So which law should be applied for this? So there is ship. Ship means on the C. On the C means Frod's law. Frod's law means the gravity force will be dominating. Now, let us write the given data here. Scale ratio. What is the scale ratio? Lm by Lp, which is equal to 1 by 25. 1:25 means 1 by 25. If the speed of the ship is given, speed of the ship means prototype, that is 1 meter per second. Then the speed at which model must be tested is. So now, applying Frod's law, Frod's number is inertia force by gravity force. If you don't remember the formula directly, just remember this: inertia force by gravity force. That means inertia force means rho v square L square divided by gravity force means rho L cube G. So rho gets cancelled, and finally remaining is V by under root Lg. So this is the Frod's number. So what is Frod's model law? Frod's model law means Fród number of model is equal to Fród number of prototype. So Fród number of model means Vm by under root Lm G. Acceleration due to gravity is same. So Vp divided by under root Lp into G. So this G gets cancelled. And what do we need to find? We need to find then the speed of model. Speed of model is equal to what? So from this Vm is equal to Vp into under root Lm by Lp. So Vp means 1 meter per second into under root of Lm by Lp. Lm by Lp means 1 by 25. So that will be 1 into under root of 25 is 5. So 1 by 5 means 0.2 meter per second. So the option is B, 0.2 meter per second. Like this, if any problem is given, first we need to find out which law should be applied. Frod's model law or a Reynolds model law or Euler's model law. Like that, we need to check which law should be applied. And then equating the dimensionless number of a model and prototype, and we need to find what is the required quantity that should be found out.